Zimuka, no?
Claire, come on, help her. Come on, help her. We are fighting for women. 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 You are a woman. You are a woman. We are fighting for women. You want to put her down? Why? No. Don't put her down. This lady there. No way. She's a woman. Don't fight. Please calm down. Please calm down. You don't mistreat us. When you are mistreating us in the field, why do you are you a police of NRM police of Uganda? Yes. We are going to handle this. Bachimani tugenda kwekalekasa tugenda kumusira internal affairs ye batwala tukoze musango ki njagala wambuli omusango tukoze bekubeerawo ngende siri mu Uganda tusobola kugenda ku police sobola genda ku internal affairs tumenya amateeka ki ekyo kyenjagala wambulire
and then you have gone to fight for women's rights. Shut up, are you a man? Are you a man? We are women. If you are women, why are you if you are women, how much women in this country? Don't touch me.
Don't touch me. Just move on. Like that.
You protect us. You protect us.
Why do you they're not only for women, these are issues of women in this country. That's how you're going to Is this working? Is this working? All of you, look like
You are vulnerable because you are not to move.
Leave us to reach the minister. Leave us to reach the minister. Women in this country, leave us. We reach the minister, then we are done. Because what is happening? We are women representatives. Many of them are
police, you have the guns, we have the people. You have the guns, we have the people. Police, you have the guns, we have the people. We were elected. We were voted. Women, do it. Push them. Give them. Do it. We want.
You're waiting. Why are you pitching me?
Advance. Pick them. Advance. Advance. Push.
You tell us why you cannot tell us why. Issues affecting us. They are facing in this
police, you have the guns.
You want to kill us as representations when they expect, okay? How do you a fellow woman mistreat a woman like that? Did you see what happened to Susan? Why are you not spiritual? When you are taking issues of women, why are you in hospital?
This is not you need another.
But we are going to tell us. We are going to let's tell you people. We are representing. We these women. Are you men? This is a constitution. You cannot continue like that.
Under this NRM government, I'm telling you,
cannot continue like that. We are not going to continue being harassed and refuse to make our own defense.
we want women to go in our district.
We want women to stay organized by women in our district. And we are fighting for women's rights. You cannot continue. This is raping women. Let's tell you.
We are tired of tear gas.
You cannot continue. Can we tell you? You cannot continue mistreating representatives. We are standing for issues of women. So there is no way you continue in this life. In this situation. It is in the constitution. We do. Otherwise, society will be working. Was almost killed. We were in hospital. She had entire restoration for all the women. So we are certainly all the women. We cannot continue in this country in this manner. Women of Uganda are fighting for the woman down there. If an MP can be held like this, what about an ordinary woman? Shame upon you women, you. Olakuralero tugamba tikyekisera okubonyabonya abakazi mu Uganda kukome. Tetulina nsonga lwaki oyagala tutabonyabonyeze. Tetulina nsonga lwaki olunaku lwaleero buli muntu eyalondebwa atalimirwako. Kyekiseera buli mukyala mukazi wa wansi. Tugamba buli mukazi bwewunyisa ati n'omupoliisi omukazi yakulugunya omukazi. Kyekisigadde ne batusindika ne batusula ensonga z'abakazi ba Uganda tetugenda kuzikkiriza. Omukyala wanga bamaliridde okumutanga kyetwali tulabako Honorable Susan. Tukyasobola kutuula wansi ne tulaba ng'omukazi alemererwa. N'olwekyo tugamba buli mukazi poliisi ekikolwa kyekoze olwaleero okutulemesa okugenda mu Internal Affairs okulaba nti notuloopa emisango gyaffe gy'okutunyigiriza nga ffe abakazi. N'olwekyo olwaleero abakazi bano abapoliisi tumanye oba abakazi oba abasajja. Era kyekiseera batubuulire. Kyekiseera n'abantu baffe bano bakuuma ddembe. Omukazi tuliko za mukazi wa Uganda. Omukazi wa Uganda tagenda kuggwawo. Omukazi tagenda kufa ng'omukazi abatuweereza ne tutunula mu Parliament. Kyekiseera tuyita buli mukazi akikola kyonna. Mutamwanakyo bulituuza wano. Lwaki batukalirira musana kikati mutawanakyo butuddeko wale. Tugende gye tuba tulina okugenda.
You take us to Internal Affairs. Escort us to Internal Affairs. Escort us to Internal Affairs. Parliament.
We committed to work to
She's taking us. We have our car. We also have our cars. We have our cars. We have our men. You are using our taxes for us to come.
Wait.
Alimba.
Are you people entering here now? This one is getting up. If you don't come, we are going this woman. Madam, you behave. You behave like Dr. Kony. You behave. Dr. Kony, behave.
Don't block me. I'm doing my work. Thank you, Honorable. You are embarrassing us already now. What's going on? Let's enter. Let's enter. I respect you. And we enter. You get up by yourself and enter. Enter. Don't press my place. Don't press me. Don't press my place. You're already broken. Don't press me. What's the magic? What?
You've already manhandled us. What are you now saving? What are you saving? Very good. This is what we are Mama, you're wasting a lot of time. First I have baton. You people, we just enough. You said you wanted to go to We are suffocating. We want to suffocate. We want to go. Take us. Take us to internal affairs. We take us. You think we are the mother's children? Our children are fighting for you. I know you're weak again, you come first.
Aya, let's go back. Don't push me. That is enough. That is enough. Galina. Okagala.
Bagambye babatwala eri emmanju babatutta eri emmanju
You break.
Please, go back and pass from there.
You break. You break.
Brothers and sisters.
Go on, you're not going. Okay?
Let us free our soldiers. Let's free our soldiers.
You work from the men, not here. Okay?
This one,